Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to tap on apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down to find special app access and here let's localize the option install unknown apps. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course you can change it, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome, in my case, is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, it will work with all other apps and you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.